Everyone who has access to the internet has heard more than once about magical world of cryptocurrencies. There, ordinary people become the most real investors and increase their initial capital many times over. But there are also those who got into it indiscriminately. They didn't know what to buy, where to store it, and how to use it. Such investors quickly lose all their savings and begin to cry that Bitcoin is a fraud and in general attempt to world machinery to steal money from honest people. So before you start using cryptocurrency, you should at least learn the basic principles of working with it. And that's what we are going to do in this video. Let's go. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency built on blockchain. Cryptocurrency is also called crypto, digital coins, virtual money, and any other combinations of these words. The cryptocurrency's king is Bitcoin, launched in 2009 by one Satoshi Nakamoto. The real name of this person or group of people is still unknown. To get Bitcoin, you have to mine it. Mining is solving complex mathematical problems on computers. In return for the solutions, the owners of the computers receive the coins, which are stored as records on the blockchain. Blockchain is like a digital ledger store and all users' computers at the same time. Blockchain cannot be cheated or tampered with. Even if you put a computer with a fake account on the network, other computers will immediately compare it to theirs and refuse to accept it. Successful hacking requires filling the network with more than half forgeries, and that is virtually impossible. The success of Bitcoin has led to the emergence of alternative cryptocurrencies, altcoins. The most important ones are Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and Monero. They too are based on blockchain but are independent of the original algorithm. Therefore, they can use other types of encryption and process transactions faster. Generally, altcoin prices depend on the Bitcoin exchange rate. In February 2017, one Bitcoin rose 18-fold. Altcoin also added significantly. And when Bitcoin started to fall, they fell with it. What are coins and tokens? Altcoins are a generic name for coins, except Bitcoin and tokens. But there is a difference between the two. Currency, they can be earned, mined, and spent on goods and services. Coins are built on blockchain. Tokens are other securities, shares built on an auxiliary platform, for example, Ethereum or Waves. They validate a stake in the project, and their value depends on the success of the project. Tokens can't be mined. You can only buy them. You can't spend them directly either. You can only sell them for another currency or exchange them for the services of the company that issued them. Why tokens are as good as coins? Coin prices are stable in relation to the market and correlate with it. Investing in tokens is like investing in the market. As long as it's growing, your savings are growing too. But slowly, tokens are stocks. Their value is tied to the project and represent. If the project fails, the price of tokens can increase several times in a few hours. But if it collapses, it will fall below the market price. That's why tokens are worth buying for those who just want to use cryptocurrency and don't want to take risks. And tokens will suit risky investors who want to make money quickly and immediately. Most people think it's impossible to buy real goods or services with Bitcoin, but this is no longer a problem. Microsoft, PayPal, Subway, Shopify, Virgin Galactic, and others of major companies accept cryptocurrency. The full list is here. Even if the company you want doesn't accept cryptocurrency, you can still exchange it for hard fiat currency like dollars. The easiest way to do this is with a special bank card for cryptocurrencies. But before you start using the card, you need a wallet, A cryptocurrency wallet is an application, program, or separate device for sending, receiving, or storing electronic money. About what kinds of wallets and which of them is worth choosing, we will talk in the following video. Cryptocurrency is not just money, but technology, innovation, and business. Blockchain gives us an amazing technology whose potential we have yet to unlock. It gives us the opportunity to build a whole new world of freedom. Privacy and protection of people's rights are indispensable components of everyday life. Investing in cryptocurrency could be a smart step towards such a future. Support the video with your likes and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.